Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get unbanned on Wizz. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you would do is, first of all, you're gonna go ahead, simply access your settings instead of your app itself because of the banned situation. Now you're gonna go ahead, scroll down till you find this option of apps for the Android users, and for the iOS iPhone users, go ahead to find this general option. Here, this app section, I'm gonna go find my particular app that we would like to, which will be our Wizz app. Here in the section, you can see once you have tapped on it, I can simply tap on this option called storage given over here, and same goes for iOS. You can find, once you have tapped on your app, you will find these two options called offload option, where you're gonna go ahead upload it, which will keep your login information there but clear out the data for you to solve your problem. For us, we're gonna go ahead, clear our cache once, and tap on this clear data. It will clear out all of our data. It will also clear out our login details as well, which we'll have to remember afterwards. Once I've done so, we're gonna reinstall our app, and same goes for the iOS as well. Once you have done so, go ahead, access your Play Store and type in VPN proxy and search it up, and go ahead and install this particular app and connect to the other reason other than yours. Once you have done so, then again you're gonna open up your Wizz app and try to use it. It will work out. So this are two options you would have to do for you to get unbanned, and that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.